Hey, welcome to another video. Just wanted to talk about combining these three things right here. And what they are is mindset and technical analysis and timing. And I'm going to most likely do a video just on timing soon. So stay tuned for that. And yeah. Alright, so I have made videos already just recently about mindset. I made about 3 videos, kind of different, all different style videos on mindset. And basically, you know, you can go back and watch those. But the key things here for this is just basically, let me use a different color. Key things here for this is basically you know, just don't be eager or emotional, right? So that means don't be eager to get into a trade, and don't get emotional at any time, especially if the trade goes against you and you lose a lot of money. You know, whose fault is that? And there you go. So reason I put this first is because I believe it's the most important thing, because without the right mindset, you're not going to be able to have the right timing or use technical analysis the right way. And in order to use technical analysis the right way, you have to have timing. So, but I've got these from the most important to the least, but they're all really important, obviously. So, and it's not like I've made millions of dollars doing this. The reason that I'm making these videos is to teach myself things that I've learned, right? And so it's just to kind of reiterate to myself, okay, you know, remember this, think about this, focus on this and that. And yeah, so mindset, do not be eager or emotional. Okay, technical analysis. Book I'm going to recommend is this book right here. If you don't have this book, go ahead and go to Amazon.com and buy it right now. Okay. I'm about that far through it, so that is the book for you. But technical analysis, you know, because you've got to know where to buy and sell, and it's all in the price data. It's all in the candlesticks. By the way, if you don't have a book on candlesticks, this is the one. And then he's got a second book called Beyond Candlesticks. But if you don't have this one, go ahead and see if you can find it. I found the black cover on eBay because it looks so awesome, and the black and red cover, because the second book is red that I've got. These are like the old style. He's got a new book style now for the new one, but I just thought these two look so awesome together. If you look, I have not read these yet, so I've still got to read these. So we all only have so much time in the day. So continuing on, technical analysis, because you need to know, because you need to know where to buy and sell, and that's not how you do the ampersand. take profit and stop loss. Take profit and stop loss. So, okay. Now, let me go back to real quick mindset, because I just thought about something. So basically, what you want to do is you want to enter one trade at a time on one account. And where is the little camera so I can look directly at you? Hello, I'm looking right at you now. Okay. Yeah, so you don't want to overtrade, right? You don't want to take too many positions, over leverage. This seems like common sense, but it's so easy to. Now, the place that I mess up a lot is taking extra positions. Taking extra positions because my mindset is not right. My mindset is not right because I get too eager to make a lot of money very fast, and then I will over leverage, or I will take additional positions. Like, yeah, I mean, you know what I'm saying. Like, if the trend is going up, I should probably put that in red, because it's basically like this. If you buy here, you buy here, and then you have a bloodbath right here, right? Right, that's the bloodbath there. So bloodbath starts. Bloodbath right there. See that? I don't know where my red dry erase. I don't know. I think I used to have one. I'm not sure where it was. But basically, yeah. So what I was saying was, what was I saying? I was saying, oh yeah, because you took an additional position, right? Actually, to make it more sense here, what I really wanted to say was, I got bloodbath on the brain. Not in a bad way. I mean, well, in a Forex way. What I'm saying is, if it came down here and then it started going back up, right? That's so bad. I gotta fix this. All right. So basically, right there, and then there you go. So it takes off. But what I was okay, I got interrupted on that last one. That last video. So I don't know if we're gonna splice it together or start over, but I don't really think I want to have time to splice it. But I put my phone on airplane mode so that nobody can bother me. I didn't know that it was gonna cut off if I got a text message. Anyways, all right, neither here nor there. But yeah, so basically, just to review real quick, just in case I just put this video up, mindset, don't be eager or emotional. Part of that is, there's a lot to that, so I'll probably just watch both videos. But technical analysis, you need to know where to buy and sell, and where to take profit and stop loss. And yeah, so watch the video before this one. I explain everything in detail. But basically, this right here was just where I was talking about taking additional positions, and then if you think it's going to turn around right here, because you have a key level or something, you think it's going to turn around that key level, but then if it doesn't, like right here, actually that'd be the one, and then if it just crashes down through there like that or whatever, I don't know, you might survive. If it comes below here, you might survive a little bit of drawdown from one position, and then you could actually get in underneath the first position, and then you can either, once it goes back up, exit that one and keep the lower one on a buy, or you could keep both of them and then just set your stop loss at break even or whatever. And then hopefully then maybe you could take profit at the next level for the higher one, right? So like if there's another level up here, then for this one, like you put your take profit, you know, and then if you took profit like right here, okay, then you'd be good, and then you would survive this one, and then you could, you know, take profit up here. So there you go. All right, well, on to the next point, timing. When I wrote this one, the board was wet because I had washed it with some Windex, this old can of Windex that barely sprays. But timing, actually, you know what? I'm gonna write timing in green because it's that important for making money. If you don't have timing right, you're not gonna make money. You're gonna lose money. All right. So timing goes in green in all caps. Okay. Timing should be number one, but I don't know. I put mindset there because to me, I think mindset's most important. But for real, these are like probably like the top three. Okay, no joke. Timing. It's so big, I'm not gonna be able to write anything else, but that's okay because it's that important. And just put this here, shaped like a dollar bill, sort of, because that's how you're gonna get your dollar bills. Is with timing. Pretty self-explanatory, you know. Waiting for it to come down here, right? So that's part of not being eager, right? I'm trying to look in the reflection here. And that's part of not being eager. So, and you know, one of the problems with being emotional is it can cause you to take an entry with bad timing, right? Because you're like, oh man, this, and you hit that button, and then next thing you know, later on, you're blowed up, right? Or you bled out all the lifeblood of your account, which is basically your money, right? Okay, so anyways, yeah, these three right here, mindset, technical analysis, and timing. I mean, what can I say about timing? Timing is everything, right? Timing is everything. You know, I could probably think of some good little sayings or quips or rhymes or whatever. Timing is good. All right, cool. Well, yeah, so anyway, I'm not going to try to waste your time here, but you know, I can't emphasize enough the importance of timing. That's why you set up alerts, right? Wait for key levels, right? That's why you need the technical analysis. Wait for spots on the chart that you need to wait for. Make your risk profile as low as possible, small as possible. So look for, wait, don't be eager, and then just chill and wait and watch for the market to come to a trend line, hopefully near a key level, near a supplier demand zone, depending on if you're buying or selling, and then have that timing to wait. And then I want to say this, and I want you to hear this, and I'm glad you made it to the end of the video, because I'd like to reward you for coming to the end of the video, even though this video, really, I'm just making these for me. But, yeah, so what I was going to say was, I can fix this. Oh, man, come on. Anyway, what I was going to say was, there you go. Oh, whatever, dude. That's fine. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sorry. My thing broke and I can't afford another one because I'm not making any money yet. I'm actually losing a lot of money, but that's why I'm making these videos, so I can do it. Okay, so if you're still listening to me, what I was going to say was, and I'm learning from, mistakes, real world, real life, live account. Even though I traded demo for 6 months, but I'm trading live now. My goal is to survive for 6 months on live. All right, so what I was going to say was, let's say you have a $100 account, okay? Let's say that you have the right mindset. You're not eager. You're chilling. You're waiting for a spot on the chart using your technical analysis that you've identified, using technical analysis, and then you wait for the timing to be right, and then you get ready and you take what you think is your last chance to get in, right? Which usually it's not. Usually, for me, it's not. Usually it goes more. And that's the thing I said. It's just mindset, right? Waiting. The mindset. The video I had earlier was talking about mindset. I said basically you have to be okay with not taking a trade. And me, I'm not okay with not taking a trade. That's why it's just. But so I probably trade too much. But anyway, if you are okay with not taking a trade, then you can get a better price entries because you're not having FOMO, right? So you're not having FOMO. Okay. You're not having FOMO. So you can wait for a better price. And yeah, you may not get in. You may not get in that trade at that price. You may have to wait for another entry, which obviously, won't be as good if it's already gone. But you can still find another entry maybe. But your risk profile will be higher. So, you kind of have to gauge that for yourself. And I think that's really one of the most challenging things, is where is the best price to get in, right? I mean, that's the golden nugget, the golden egg from the golden goose. But basically, that's pretty much going to be about it. So to wrap it up, let me just say it's about mindset. Don't be eager or emotional, okay? And, basically wait for your spots. But I say if you're going to take additional positions, either take profit at the next zone for this one, and we can wait for another zone here if you think there's potential for the upside. But the thing about it is it may bounce off of this one and come back down here below, and if it doesn't go below, if it starts coming back up, say right here, then you can pop another entry in there on the way up, even if it's at a worse price than this one. Even if you end up getting in like right here, you know what I'm saying? And it's at a less higher, worse price. So, but yeah, don't be eager. And then if you lose money, don't get emotional, and because that's going to cause you to revenge trade. You don't want to do that. So, no revenge trading. Okay. No revenge trading. And technical analysis, right? So this is the dynamic duo, the triple threat right here. Technical analysis. So these three together. But technical analysis, you need to know where to buy and sell and where to take profit and stop loss. And you need to be disciplined and stick with your plan. And that way, what'll happen is you'll become more confident in just being able to set it and forget it. Being able to say, this looks good, I like this, boom, here it is, take it or leave it. You can hit my stop loss or you can hit my take profit. But keep an eye on the market is helpful. So keeping an eye on the market is helpful because, things could go wrong and whatever like that, or things could be going really right, and you're like, oh man, this thing is going down like crazy. Let me move, might take profit maybe to the next level, right? Whereas if you're not paying attention to the market, you won't see that. So timing, right? Timing is everything, even though I don't have a watch on right now. But it's critical to put these three together. These three heavyweights, you can put these three together right here. You're really going to have a winning combination. So, mindset, technical analysis, and timing. And in the last video, I showed these books, but now it's the second part, which I may put them together, I don't know. But this is some books that's good. Right here, technical analysis, the financial markets, and then Japanese candlestick charting techniques. So there you go. All right, let me make sure I smile some, because why not? You know, even if I lost, I'm a small account trader, so I trade like I put $100 in my account and then that's it. And really, the last couple of days I lost. To be honest, I guess like all net total, everything plus or minus net, I lost about 2/3 of my net worth in the last couple of days. So hopefully I can come back from it. So, or I'll just beg for help from somebody, or God forbid I ever had to. I'm not even gonna say it. Actually, go out there and get a. I don't even want to say just over broke. Just over broke. Alright. Well, anyway, hopefully we can get something going. But there's that for you. And yeah. So to review, let me just put some basic top 3 points right here. Okay? So don't be eager. That's number 1. Okay? And don't get emotional. Alright? So don't be eager, don't get emotional. Number 2 is make sure that you got to lock on your technical analysis. Alright? And then number 3, you need to make sure your timing is right. Okay? Because timing is everything. So you got to have timing. I'm going to make a full video on timing coming up. So stay tuned for that. And once again, thank you for watching. All right. Y'all have a great day.